Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use tally tools. Tally counters are incredibly useful devices designed to help you keep track of numbers with ease and precision. Whether you are counting people entering an event, inventory items in a warehouse, or even scientific observations, these tools simplify the process. They provide a reliable method for data collection, ensuring accuracy in your tallies. We will cover the fundamental operations and practical applications. Operating a tally tool is straightforward, designed for quick and intuitive use. To add one to your count, simply press the main button, usually located prominently on the device. When you need to start a new count, locate the reset knob, often on the side or bottom, and turn it to bring the display back to 0. Certain advanced models also include a secondary button for subtracting one from the total, offering greater flexibility. Beyond basic counting, many modern tally tools offer sophisticated features to enhance your data collection. Some digital models allow you to manage several distinct counts at once, perfect for multifaceted projects. Furthermore, integrated data logging means your tallies are automatically recorded, often with timestamps, for comprehensive review. You can frequently export this valuable data through a USB connection or wirelessly via Bluetooth, enabling seamless integration into spreadsheets or analytical software. To maximize the effectiveness of your tally tool, consider these practical tips. First, always double-check that your counter is reset to 0 before you begin any new counting task. This prevents skewed results. Second, try to establish a steady, consistent rhythm as you count, which significantly reduces the chance of missing an item or double counting. Finally, for extended counting periods, periodically glance at the display to confirm your running total aligns with your expectations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.